Today's vintage bag is another gem from the late 70s. It's a Potable Serviette. Welcome to LV ReLoved. If you are new today, thank you for joining us. And if you're returning, it's so good to see you again. Please subscribe to my channel. All subscribers are the first to know of my video uploads. It's a Potable Serviette. This is from the late 70s and it's quite interesting. Very unique, very hard to find. And when you do find it, snag it, because it can still be repaired if it's in bad shape as the ones that I've seen before always are. So it has a longer strap, can be worn as a bandolier or crossbody. Lots of compartments. So that's what's unique about it. It's like a portable desk. So you have like the main large pocket. Then you have your area for pens, pencils, and then like a filing system. All different sizes. So you have a larger for paper, and you have some slanted ones so you can see what's in there. Maybe some business cards can fit here, your receipts. But it is a unique size too. More of a European size for papers. So it measures folded at 10 by 11 by 2, and then it unfolds to 25 inches. Many uses. You can use it for art students, the business person, the business traveler, but also, why not use it for a handbag? Louis Vuitton Potable Serviette. Beautiful. Thank you for watching LV ReLoved, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week.